Welcome to Simply Elegant. I'm Gino and I'm super excited to show you guys my very own take on donut fries. So Dunkin' Donuts just released their donut fries. I of course had to give it a try and they were delicious. It sort of reminded me of a hybrid between churros and a donut. So that is exactly what I'm showing you today, a churro donut recipe. For this recipe, you need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1½ cup of milk, 2 eggs, 2 sticks of butter, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, another ½ cup of sugar, and ½ cup of brown sugar. I also have about 1 inch of oil in a skillet that is heating up on low heat. First things first, you want to melt your 2 sticks of butter in a pan on low heat. Once your butter is melted, we're going to set it aside to cool. We're first going to make the crumb coating. So first add your brown sugar, half your cinnamon, and then just whisk it all together. Separate bowl, add your flour, sugar, and your baking powder. Just whisk it all until it is nicely combined. And then just create a well in the center of your bowl and pour all of your milk in. Mix until everything is combined. It's going to add an egg into your bowl and add it in. Then you want to mix it, and once incorporated, you'll add in your second egg. Batter should look like this, and at this point you want to add in your cooled butter, your other half of your cinnamon. Once again, just mix everything until well combined. The batter is ready once it flows continuously from your whisk. It is time to prepare our piping bag. So this is a disposable piping bag, and I have a large circle tip. So what you want to do is cut off a little piece of your piping bag, place your tip in, and then once you push the tip in, it should fit perfectly around your piping bag. You just want to place your piping bag into a tall glass cup so it's easier to pour your batter. All you want to do is just simply wrap it around, and voila! Now you can easily pour your batter into your cup. Just make a little line and cut it off. But not least, you just want to toss these in your cinnamon sugar that you made earlier, and they are ready to go. Nice and fresh out of the fryer, these are covered in our cinnamon sugar that we made, and these taste delightful. Thank you guys for joining me once again on Simply Elegant. I hope that you guys give this recipe a try, as it is super simple, and why not make about 40 or 50 of these instead of just getting 5 at Dunkin' Donuts, right? If you enjoyed the video, make sure to support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. That really means a lot to me, as it shows that a lot of you are enjoying the content. And as always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and I will see you on the next one. These taste better than Dunkin' Donuts.